Greetings, viewers. This is CP666 signing on to show you how easy it is to upgrade the memory in a G3 iMac. We're also going to take a look at what happens when you install incorrect memory in a G3 iMac. Possibly. I have no idea if the stuff that I've got here is correct. We're going to install 512 megabytes of this stuff into this G3 iMac. And all you need to do to replace the memory, unlatch this, open this up, and you can take the memory out. Fortunately, I don't know how well I can get a shot of this. Maybe well, maybe not. Take the old memory out. Grab the new memory, open up the new memory if need be. Take the memory out of the slot. And attempt to insert it into the iMac for the first time. And potentially, nope, it will fit. Alright, you could do the same thing. Actually, you could put your old memory stick back into the package that is now vacated by the new one. You could take your second package. This one happens to already be open. Take out the module. Put it into the case. Take the new module. Put it into the Macintosh. And then when you're finished with that, close this up, lock it, and put it back where it needs to go. Now, how easy is that? Alright, let's see if this really is as easy as it looks. Now this is paranoid for you. Well, it chimed. Now am I going to get actual output on the screen? It is starting. I like videos like this. I really do. Where things are so simple, it's effortless, doesn't really require any thinking at all, and allows you to relax, where problems don't occur. Sorry about the blinking, it is not going to get any better. In fact, it's only going to get worse. Alright. So let's see here. Did it like our memory upgrade? Oh, yes it did. 512 megabytes. Like I said, the blinking is not going to get any better. Since I can't lock this camera into a static refresh rate, I can't sync it up with the CRT monitor. So, how easy was that? I'll let you decide that. I think it was pretty easy, though. Thank you for watching. If you have any comments, feel free to leave them down below. And this is CP666 signing off from one of perhaps my shortest videos in a very long time. Until then. Even the shutdown process is fast.